The easiest and fastest way to tan your face is using Purity Face Mist. You only need to apply 3 spritz across the centre of your face and you're done. Remember, you can apply this product over the top of your makeup or whether you're at home with clean and dry skin. There is no need to rinse and no transfer. You can add a drop of your Purity Vitamin Face Serum into your moisturiser for a lighter coverage. Mix the two together and massage into the face. This is just to lighten and customise your serum for a daily use and a longer lasting tan. Try using a foundation brush to buff or contour on your face. Use a little drop of tan and contour under the cheekbones, across the jaw and down the nose for a contoured even finish. For those with blonde or fair hair, remember to apply a drop of moisturiser on those areas just to act as a barrier so that the tan doesn't discolour the hair.
Hyaluronic acid is a molecule already found naturally within our skin layers. It helps to retain and collect water.